It wasn't like it is today, you know. I didn't have a TV, a computer, or even a cell phone in my room to keep me awake. All I had was that desire, that need to see him. I remember staring at the leaves in the breeze outside the window as the night went by. Or I'd lie on my bed, flipping through the pages of a comic book and paying attention to all these little sounds. The hardwood floor squeaking, a car outside, the neighbor's cat. Sometimes I'd hear something and I just knew it was him. I'd run downstairs all anxious and excited and scared. I'm not sure what I would have done, you know. What to say or what to do. I just had to see him, the man who flew around the world from roof to roof and lived in the North Pole and was surrounded by all this magic. But he wasn't there. He was never there. Nor were the boogeyman or the tooth fairy. I remember the feeling of disappointment that came after. The world became flatter somehow. I guess that's why we do it, you know. We want our kids to live in that world of magic and possibility, even if it's just for a little while. Even if it means breaking their hearts. It's worth it. And I guess we also want to feel that again, that magic. And we get to do it through their eyes, through that sparkle in their eyes, in that moment where they believe. I guess that's why we do it, son.